we'll guide you through how to use Netlify credits effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture, then select Billing from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see an overview of your current billing status, including the credits available. To use these credits, you need to ensure that you're on a plan that allows for credit usage. Under the Plans section, you can choose the appropriate plan, typically the Pro or Business tier, that best suits your needs. After selecting your plan, go to the Projects tab on the left side of the dashboard. Choose a project where you want to apply these credits. Once inside the project, click on Settings and then Billing. Here, you can see options for applying your credits towards various services like bandwidth, build minutes, or even upgrading certain features. It's important to note that credits are automatically applied to your account balance, offsetting any charges incurred during the billing cycle. You can track your usage and remaining credits in real time from the Usages section. This is handy for managing your resources effectively and ensuring you don't exceed your budget. If you're unsure about how many credits are needed for specific services, check the detailed pricing guide available in the Help section. This will give you detailed insights into how much each feature will cost in credits, allowing you to plan and allocate resources wisely. Remember, any unused credits will roll over to the next billing cycle, which is a great way to save up for larger projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.